So to create a scribble effect, it's very simple. Firstly, we need to go here on our project and then just right click on a blank space right here and then go to new item and then select adjustment layer and then just press OK. Now that we have our adjustment layer here, we need to drag that to the part where we want to add a scribble effect. So let's say I want to add a scribble effect on this part of the video. So let's just move this at the start of that part and then drag the adjustment layer to that part like this. And then we can also adjust the length of that scribble effect by just moving the adjustment layer like this. So if I want it to end around here, I can just adjust this like this. Now that we have our adjustment layer here, what we're gonna have to do next is we need to go here on our effects and then type here paint bucket. And then once you see paint bucket, just drag that to your adjustment layer. And then we'll have something like this. Now next what we're gonna have to do is we need to go here on our effect controls and then just scroll down a little bit until you see stroke. Now we need to change this to just stroke like this instead of anti-alias, and then we'll get something like this. Now if we move this around, as you can see, we're going to get something like this on our background. Now if you want to fix that, we need to change the tolerance and then the fill point. Now the value for this is going to depend on your video, so you need to play around with the settings. So for example, I want to change the tolerance, maybe like this. And then we can also change the fill point too. Then as you can see, this is a lot better than what we had earlier. Now if we play the clip, as you can see, there's still going to be problems like that. You just need to play around with the tolerance and then the fill point again and then try to fix that. Now that's pretty much it for the scribble effect. Now if we want to make it better, we can add an ease in and ease out. Now in order for us to do that, it's very simple. Firstly, we need to move our playhead at the start of the clip like this, and then we need to create a animation for it. Now to do that, you can go here on stroke width and then click on toggle animation right beside it, and then it's going to create a keyframe on that part. Now we need to adjust the value of the stroke width to 0 like this, and then now we need to move the playhead to where we want to start the scribble effect to show up. Now we can just move it around a little bit and then adjust the stroke width again to number 3, and now it's going to create a keyframe there. And then we have our ease in. Now to create an ease out, you can just move the playhead again near the end of the adjustment layer and then click on add/remove keyframe right here. And then it's going to create a keyframe right there with the value that we have for the stroke width. And then now we need to move this at the end of the clip like this, and then change the value again of the stroke width to 0. And that's going to be our ease out. Now if you play our clip, that looks a lot smoother. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.